today I'm playing. I'm playing on my tablet, and it is currently 11 o'clock at night. I'm bored, so I'm just gonna make a video. My voice might sound a little weird, but I am going to be playing either Airplane Chefs or Dragon City. I don't know which one I'm going to choose. So, of course, you have to go through this again. I have to choose which video game I want to play first. Or Mario Run. It's been a while since we played that. I made a video about that, except it was like really quiet. So I might want to do another part for that instead of being quiet and tired, really tired like I was on that video. I wasn't really tired on that last video, that last Mario video, but I was kind of tired. So we might just play Airplane Chefs because it's been a while since we played that. It's part 4 right now. So not Dragon City. Airplane Chefs is what I meant to say. Airplane Chefs it is. It's been a while since we played it. So let's just go right into it. Oh my god. Alright. Let's go. Let's go right into this game is pretty hard. It's pretty long. I mean, this level is pretty hard to do for me. Come on, load. Here all day. Thank you. Alright, we're gonna do level 10. Is this what level we're on? Oh, they started quick. If you remember this game, it's been a while since I played it, so I know how to play it though. I remember. I don't even have the burgers yet. That didn't make any sense that second. Come on. I'm trying to give it to you. Let me give you the stupid plate. These people don't listen. They don't let me give the food to them, so I can't do that either. So calm down for 5 seconds so I can get the stupid food. Come on, let me give it to him. Oh my gosh, I hate everything. Oh, I'm looking at the TV right now, and it says a new movie's coming out. Pretty sure we all know what that movie is. What about now? Everyone's been having the ad. Why? I think you've had enough. Giving the order to you. Oh my gosh. What am I supposed to do in this situation? Sorry, you're gonna have to be patient. Please hurry up. Please hurry up. Please hurry up. No! That's the worst thing that could happen right now. You guys are being babies right now. It's really rude. I know I'm probably never gonna be an airplane service person if I'm gonna be acting like this, but still, it could be patient. It's not hard. Really not hard. We need lots of cups, so give me, what do you want? There's even orders back here, are you kidding me? You're telling me you can't take the food on a tray. This is just stupid. Oh gosh, this game is really intense. And we're landing, I see it. I see that we're landing on the ground. Please tell me I at least got a star. I didn't get a single star. This is hard. This is really hard. Let me see. But change this. So we upgrade that. Everything looks good right here. Alright, we're playing right now. Level 10 once more. Can't get past it if we don't do it. I got distracted by the TV that I'm watching right now. Guys, calm down. Alright, now we can fit 4 in this cabinet right here. Pretty sure you don't know what I'm pointing at right now, but the burger cabinet is what I'm talking about. Wait, we could fit 4 in our hands now? I didn't know that. That's a really good thing, though. You sound like a baby. Did you just hear that? Take the food. Please leave me alone now. Thank you. This is so good. This is so going bad. But it's nothing I can do about that, so. Could I put it on the plate fast enough? This is just so slow. There you go. Wait, calm down. Why did you wait until I left to give you the stupid thing? To want something? Oh my gosh, that almost burnt in front of my eyes. Alright, we need a lot of burgers now that I've been waiting for a while. Alright, I think I could live without some burgers. Give the orders. Please do, because I'm going to be mad if I run out of burgers in the middle of giving someone an order. Yes, I just did. Great, that's just great. Oh my gosh. What do you want? Alright. Throw it in the trash. Give me the food. Alright. I can't do anything either. You know what? Doesn't matter. Does not matter at all. We're gonna lose a bunch of money, but I know that I'm probably gonna lose because it doesn't look like I'm getting a single star After doing all the stupid work for these customers who don't listen, barely. After 5 seconds, they already want to order and they wonder why I don't see them because they wait until I leave to ask for an order. I was just about to give it to you. Most of these people is just, they're not being patient. That's half of them. Annoying. This is hard, too. I need a water bottle right now. Let me get them the order. Finally. Did I get a star? I don't think I did. I got 1 star. No, I'm not doing this level anymore, so I honestly don't care. Well, we can add things into the cup. I would actually like that, even though I'm not wasting my money for that. So, they can survive. I'm pretty sure they can survive. Look at this. I'm not sure what that is, but who actually eats garlic on their burger? Yes, some people do, but I don't. I don't think so. I don't remember that either. Oh my gosh! That's how long it's been since I played this game. It's been like 2 weeks. And look how much stuff I can get now. This is really good. Look at that. Sleeping pillow. You made it look better. Like, I don't really care what they want, but okay. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Chicken nuggets have been upgraded, even though that doesn't make an upgrade. We can change the shelf amount to 3, so we can put 3 chicken nuggets in there. That's not going to change anything, but it's still really good. All these are really good. Oh my gosh, that burger looks delicious. Alright, this is like really fun. I'm going to choose one, play the game one more time. We might end it. We can also change this. This is actually really nice and fun. I'm going to upgrade the amount of chicken nuggets. Actually, it's not going to do very much. It's not very useful either. Capacity is 6. What? Alright, let me upgrade something really quickly before I just... No, I'm just gonna upgrade this. No, that's way too much. I almost wasted all my money just then. Tray amount. How does that change anything? The tray amount is 9, and they want me to change it to 10. No, I'm not wasting money for that. I'm not wasting 1,000 coins to just add 1 more tray to the stack. No, I'm not doing that. That's just too much. We're gonna add this. That's what we're gonna do. Alright, I'm not wasting any more money. I don't feel like wasting any more. What? Did you just give me more money? Alright, I'm just gonna go to the next level. That's what I'm gonna do. Yes, you can fit 3 chicken nuggets in there. That's not gonna make a single difference. I almost forgot to put the juice in there. It's not really good for me to do. I'm gonna put a bunch of burgers in here. I'm gonna give the first order to them this second. Not this second. Alright, I think that's enough chicken nuggets for now. A little bit more, please. I honestly don't care at all because I have a bunch of burgers anyway, and I'm probably not going to beat this, but I'm going to see. I need to get at least... You didn't even let me give the stupid order to you. You waited. You could have waited 5 extra seconds, and your life would have been fine. Seriously don't understand these people. Oh, I need a juice. Of course I do, because this game hates me. Alright, let's put that in there. I need lots more chicken nuggets. Oh my gosh, how long has this video been on? 14 minutes, that's fine. Oh my gosh, let me press you. She's about to get mad because I'm trying to read her order. Oh my gosh. How long does it take for this to just work? I'm getting mad at myself because I'm not fast enough, that's why. Why you guys get mad so quickly? That's what I don't understand. I need a... Oh gosh, that almost burned! This is why we need to start paying attention. Let me take your trash. Alright. Dang it. I got the wrong order. Who wants this? Pretty sure it's one of you. Of course it's none of you because this game hates me too. Thank you for the order. I waited for that for like 6 hours. We got the back layer done. Not gonna make a difference though. Oh my gosh, his order almost ran out. That's what I mean about these people not listening or waiting at all. What did you want? There you go. Take your stupid chicken nuggets. My trash is full? When did that happen? I'm not really paying attention anymore. Alright, let me just get a bunch of stuff, a bunch of junk. And I'm running a lot out of burgers. That's not great. I should have been ready. Hurry up, I need a bunch of juices. Alright, that's enough chickens. Alright. What? I didn't even see that you wanted your order. You didn't even let me give you the stupid order. I had it right in my hands and you didn't let me do it because you hate me or something. I bet I wasn't even looking at the stars. I was at the star. I know I got that. I know I should have got that. Alright guys, we're gonna end it here. Oh my gosh. I can upgrade so much stuff right now. I'm not gonna upgrade it now. You know what? I'm gonna upgrade one thing, then I'm gonna end the video. We can upgrade this to 6. That is actually a really great thing. Item capacity? Yes, we really need this. Because it only lets you do one at a time, and that's kind of annoying. It's really annoying, actually. Alright. What is this? We can upgrade it to that, but we can't upgrade it yet because I don't have enough. Alright guys, we're going to end it here. So I hope you like this. And see ya!